इन्होंने नारा लगाया इस देश के लिए, इससे शर्मनाक, इससे ज्यादा दुर्भाग्यपूर्ण कोई चीज नहीं हो सकता है कि देश के प्रधानमंत्री 140 करोड़ के नेता, विश्व में सबसे प्रसिद्ध, सबसे मजबूत नेता आदरणीय प्रधानमंत्री मोदी जी का कमर खोदने के लिए कांग्रेस की रैली में बात कहा गया है। मैं चाहता हूं कांग्रेस के नेतृत्व माफी मांगना चाहिए, इस सदन के माध्यम से देश से माफी मांगना चाहिए। राज्यसभा में भी, लोकसभा में भी कांग्रेस के अध्यक्ष
स्थगित की जाती है।
All right, you heard there from the Parliamentary Affairs Minister. The House stands adjourned. Lok Sabha stands adjourned after massive ruckus that erupted over what had been said allegedly at a rally of the Congress party. Chants of deaths to the Prime Minister Modi, teri khabar khudegi chants. At a rally alleges the Bharatiya Janata Party, the government going after the Congress, seeking answers from Rahul Gandhi, the leader of the opposition, senior leader of the Congress party, member of parliament, and also from Mallikarjun Kharge, the president of the Congress party. Kiren Rijiju says, come clean on what has been said at this rally. Death to Prime Minister chants at a rally. The Bharatiya Janata Party and the government taking this matter up very aggressively. We heard there from Kiren Rijiju. There was massive ruckus as this was raised inside Parliament. Gandhi and Kharge must apologize to the Prime Minister, says Kiren Rijiju. Attacking the Congress party over deaths to the Prime Minister. These chants were raised, and that's the reason why the BJP has seen red here, seeking answers from Rahul Gandhi and Mallikarjun Kharge, saying that the leaders must apologize to the Prime Minister. This isn't the first time the BJP says that these attacks have been made against Prime Minister Narendra Modi.
इस तरीके के नारे
की बात रिकॉर्ड पे जा रही है, प्लीज।
ये तरीके के नारे कांग्रेस पार्टी के सोच और मानसिकता को दर्शाता है। ये नामदारों के झंझलाहट को स्पष्ट इंगित करता है और साथ में इस तरीके की बात कहना एक प्रधानमंत्री जी के खिलाफ और मृत्यु की कामना करना, यह अपने आप में बहुत ही निंदनीय है। इसके लिए हमारे नेता प्रतिपक्ष और कांग्रेस पार्टी के नेता यहां बैठी हैं, आदरणीय सोनिया गांधी जी, इनको देश से माफी मांगनी चाहिए और देश से माफी मांगनी चाहिए। और ये नामदारों की झंझलाहट है, इसको समझना चाहिए। और मैं ये भी कहना चाहूंगा कि राजनीति का स्तर कांग्रेस पार्टी ने इतना गिरा दिया है, जो कल्पना के बाहर है। इसलिए इसकी मैं घोर निंदा भी करता हूं और मैं श्रीमती सोनिया गांधी जी से
adjourned as well. You heard in fact from the leader of the House in Rajya Sabha, JP Nadda, who's in fact sought an apology from Sonia Gandhi, also happens to be in fact a member of parliament from Rajya Sabha. She was seated right there when Nadda said that Sonia Gandhi must also seek or rather ask for apology or in fact say sorry to the Prime Minister. That's a big statement that has been made. The Parliamentary Affairs Minister leading the charge in the lower house in Lok Sabha, you heard there from Kiren Rijiju. He spoke about it even before the Parliament convened earlier today, that Modi ki kabar khudegi slogans were raised at a rally that was organized by the Congress in Lok Sabha. An apology was sought from Rahul Gandhi and Mallikarjun Kharge. By Kiren Rijiju, we heard this uproar play out in Rajya Sabha as well, where leader of the House in Rajya Sabha, JP Nadda, sought an apology from Sonia Gandhi. Is also in fact a member of parliament from the upper house there from Rajya Sabha.
कल कांग्रेस के रैली में प्रधानमंत्री
Both houses have now been adjourned. This massive ruckus that was seen as answers were sought, apology was sought from both the leaders here, in fact from three leaders here, from Rahul Gandhi and from Mallikarjun Kharge and also from Sonia Gandhi. The BJP in fact raised this matter in both houses of parliament. In Rajya Sabha, the charge was led by JP Nadda. In Lok Sabha, the charge being led by Kiren Rijiju. Let's listen in once again.
कल कांग्रेस के रैली में प्रधानमंत्री मोदी जी का कब्र खोदने के लिए बात कहा गया है। ये इस देश के लिए बहुत दुखद समय है कि कांग्रेस पार्टी ऐसा शब्दों का इस्तेमाल करते हैं और सारे कांग्रेस पार्टी पूरे का पूरे नेतृत्व उस रैली में मौजूद थे और प्रधानमंत्री मोदी जी का कब्र खोदने के लिए इन्होंने नारा लगाया। इस देश के लिए इससे शर्मनाक, इससे ज्यादा दुर्भाग्यपूर्ण कोई चीज नहीं हो सकता है कि देश के प्रधानमंत्री 140 करोड़ के नेता, विश्व में सबसे प्रसिद्ध, सबसे मजबूत नेता आदरणीय प्रधानमंत्री मोदी जी का कब्र खोदने के लिए कांग्रेस के रैली में बात कहा गया है। मैं चाहता हूं कांग्रेस के नेतृत्व माफी मांगना चाहिए इस सदन के माध्यम से, देश से माफी। कल
Kiren Rijiju, they are leading the charge for the government from Lok Sabha, seeking an apology from Rahul Gandhi and from the Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge, saying that death threats to the Prime Minister and the chants against the Prime Minister were heard at a rally that was organized by the Congress Party. In Rajya Sabha, the leader of the House, there JP Nadda, sought an apology from Sonia Gandhi as well. Modi ki kabar khudegi slogans were heard at a Congress rally, says the Bharatiya Janata Party. We have not heard really from the Congress Party just yet on these charges and that these allegations have been made by the Bharatiya Janata Party. Listening to what JP Nadda said in the Rajya Sabha.
के साथ और उद्वेलित मन से मैं एक विषय को सदन के सामने लाना चाहता हूं कि कल जो कांग्रेस पार्टी की रैली हुई उसमें नारे लगे, मोदी तेरी मोदी तेरी कब्र खुदेगी, आज नहीं तो कल खुदेगी। ये इस तरीके के नारे
की बात रिकॉर्ड पे जा रही है, प्लीज।
ये तरीके के नारे कांग्रेस पार्टी के सोच और मानसिकता को दर्शाता है। ये नामदारों के झंझलाहट को स्पष्ट इंगित करता है और साथ में इस तरीके की बात कहना एक प्रधानमंत्री जी के खिलाफ और मृत्यु की कामना करना, यह अपने आप में बहुत ही निंदनीय है। इसके लिए हमारे नेता प्रतिपक्ष और कांग्रेस पार्टी के नेता यहां बैठी हैं, आदरणीय सोनिया गांधी जी, इनको देश से माफी मांगनी चाहिए और देश से माफी मांगनी चाहिए और ये नामदारों की झंझलाहट है, इसको समझना चाहिए। और मैं ये भी कहना चाहूंगा कि राजनीति का स्तर कांग्रेस पार्टी ने इतना गिरा दिया है जो कल्पना के बाहर है। इसलिए इसकी मैं घोर निंदा भी करता हूं और मैं श्रीमती सोनिया गांधी जी से
Across to Piyush Mishra for more details in that story. We've heard from the government who have in fact raised this at the very beginning of this session today in both houses. So the strategy here, Piyush, was very clear. But tell us what the Congress is now saying. We're waiting to hear from them on these chants against the Prime Minister, death to the Prime Minister chants that were heard at this rally. Okay, we'll connect with my colleague Piyush in a moment from now. We're telling you about the matter that has now been raised by the Bharatiya Janata Party in the beginning of the session today on a Monday, where at 11, both of these issues, in fact, both of the houses saw this issue being raised in Lok Sabha and in Rajya Sabha, the charge being led by Kiren Rijiju in Lok Sabha. He spoke about it even before the parliament session started in the morning. And then we heard about this from JP Nadda in Rajya Sabha as well. The allegations are that at a rally that was organized by the Congress party, we had, in fact, there were these chants of death to the Prime Minister, Modi Teri Kabar Khudegi chants, as being alleged by the Bharatiya Janata Party at a rally. Now, the BJP is seeking answers from Rahul Gandhi and Sonia Gandhi, also seeking an apology from the Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge. Modi Teri Kabar Khudegi. These were the chants, says the Bharatiya Janata Party, saying that the real agenda is clear. They don't want to raise issues that matter to the people, but issue death threats to the Prime Minister, says the Bharatiya Janata Party, sharing a video. One of the leaders spoke about the fact that these chants were raised at a rally. This isn't about Samvidhan. This isn't about SIR. This isn't about vote chori, says the Bharatiya Janata Party. This is to abuse the Prime Minister. A rally was held at Ramlila Maidan in Delhi, and these slogans were raised, alleges the Bharatiya Janata Party. Congress workers allegedly shouted these slogans in Delhi's Ramlila Maidan, giving threats to the Prime Minister, says the Bharatiya Janata Party.